Did you know that you can customize this button on the Audi steering wheel? Curious how to do so? Just watch this video and I will show you how to customize the start button on the Audi steering wheel to your preference. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Click on this button to open the Car Systems menu. Continue to Vehicle Settings. Click on Steering Wheel button. You can now select one of these options to set as the start button on the Audi steering wheel. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.